Sure, there's always good options to redo all the unit. Especially the advantage of it is then you can really do it the way you like it.
I had lived in the building for about 10 years and decided that it did need redecorating, and there were some things that I didn't particularly like and wanted to change it. And one of the things where we have this huge space, but we didn't have a lot of storage space.
If it's an older building, like the one we've done in Nirvana, then you can really just take it off and then redo it completely into your own taste and getting really your own feeling into the apartment, which make it much more personalized.
We sort of walked into Euro Design and said, hey, we'd like to refurbish our condominium.
When we did this project, what was interesting is actually the customer didn't have like a very strong idea of what he wants. Basically what he said to us is, my apartment is very old, I need it new. And then when we asked him, okay, so what do you really need or what do you really want? He said, yeah, well, it's pretty much up to you guys. That's why I need designers to do it.
Pretty much left it to Euro Design to come up with the actual design. We didn't change very much at all in reality from what they had proposed.
Here the concept was like really doing everything custom made and that it matches.
Previously I think it was too dark. We didn't have enough light in the property.
So, which was great for us because then give us a lot of possibilities, especially for Kunnak. She could put a lot of her own input in there. So she redesigned it like the way she would have done it for herself. And then, of course, after that, you get some adjustment. The customer want to modify the bedroom to have like an office bedroom that can be opened or closed. So that was really something that comes up from the customer, which we thought that was actually a very good idea.
What we've done is exactly what I was looking to get.
And as we do it all custom made, then we can really adjust it on the tone, on the materials, on the painting, to really have it as a nice line, you know, that when you walk into the apartment, you can see everything just goes together.
From start to finish, 8 months.
So this is really a great thing for us, to have these possibilities to not only design the things, but realize them, which is, I think, yeah, a bit unique. Not a lot of companies can do that.